In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks. Progress invoicing lets you bill your customer in stages instead of all at once, which is perfect for longer projects or milestone-based work. The whole process starts with an estimate, because that's what QuickBooks uses to track the total project value and how much remains to be billed. From your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the plus new button and choose Estimate. This opens a clean estimate form. Enter your customer's name so the estimate links to the right account. Then add the products or services you'll provide. Be as specific as you can here. Use the correct items, quantities, and rates so the math is accurate later. The estimate should represent the total project amount, so make sure everything you plan to deliver is listed. If you use classes, locations, or memos for internal notes, you can fill those in to keep reporting and communication clear. When you're confident the numbers and details reflect the full scope, click Save and Close. That estimate becomes your foundation for billing over time. When it's time to invoice a portion of the work, open the estimate you just created. At the top, click Create Invoice. QuickBooks will ask how you want to invoice this phase. You can choose a percentage of the total, a fixed dollar amount, or custom amounts per line item. Percentage is great for standard milestones like 25% upfront, 50% at halfway, and so on. Fixed amount works well when you've hit a dollar-based milestone, such as a $1,000 kickoff payment. Custom amounts per line item is ideal when some parts of the project are complete and others aren't. You can bill only the lines you've finished and leave the rest for later. Make your selection, confirm the amounts look right, and QuickBooks will generate the invoice accordingly. Take a moment to review the invoice date and any notes your customer should see, then proceed to create it. You'll repeat this process until the project is fully billed and paid. Each time you return to the original estimate and choose Create Invoice, QuickBooks keeps track of what's already been invoiced and what remains, helping you avoid overbilling. If your scope changes, update the estimate first, so future invoices align with the latest totals. A quick best practice is to add short memos indicating which milestone each invoice covers, so both you and your customer can follow the progress easily. That's all there is to it. Start with a solid estimate, invoice against it in stages, and repeat until the balance hits zero.